Hey guys, what's up? This is MCreator today, and today I'm going to show you the part 3 episode of my series. If you haven't seen part 1 or 2, I would really recommend you go back and see those. Links will be down in the description. So we left off last time with a screen like this and this terminal. And so what we're going to do today is we're going to find out how to test our mod and run it and compile it and do all of those things that we need to do that are mandatory for our mod. So as you can see, I've already gone ahead and made some armor. I made a crafting recipe. I haven't made the crafting recipe for the armor yet, but that's fine. It's just a mod showcase. You can if you want to. There are other things that you can do like blocks commands and that kind of stuff. I will be showcasing these other things in later videos. So subscribe and like if you want more free content like this. So first off, we're going to come over here and we're going to hit console. Now it already auto-compiles it, but I'm going to compile it just because I want to make sure that everything runs successfully. And so all of these should come up. If they don't, then you want to consult the forums or anything if you get a bug or anything like that. And you need to make sure that you have Java 1.8.0 and whatever kind of Java, but it must not be Java 9. So now, in order to start it, we hit this. We're going to start as a Minecraft client test environment, not as a server. Server is if you want multiple people to play. So we're going to start up as a client. And this may take a bit. I'll be back when it's done. So as you can see, Minecraft started to launch. It must show the forge sign down there and everything like that. And so it says 5 mods loaded, 5 mods active. So now I'm going to hit mods, and it shows me my test mod, which was made with MCreator. So now what you want to do is you want to go to single player, and you can like start a debug world. I'm going to call mine debug test world, and then you want to set it to creative and whatever world. I just set it to this sort of mode so then I can like actually test it correctly. So now I'm going to hit create new world, and I'm going to make it full screen. And I'll be right back with all the items. As you can see, I'm back with all my items, and this is, remember, Minecraft 1.12.2. I'm going to set my video settings so they're a little bit higher. And there we go. Oh, we spawned right next to a village. Okay, so now we can see that this armor, this thing doesn't do much, but as you can see, it actually works. It does glow a lot. I put that information there, it glows a lot. And so now if we test out this armor, so I'm going to go to game mode 0. And I'm going to put on the armor, and as you can see, I get like almost full bars. So now if I were to have something hit me, like for instance, let me like try to get the slime to hit me, it wouldn't do much. It's not doing as much damage. But now this breaks anything. We already know that. Okay, so as you can see, our mod is actually working. We have the armor. We could also create and see it's losing durability. You can also customize the amount of durability and everything like that. And I could also make this item have some use. Like this item could actually make the armor, be used to craft the armor. But that's for another time. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video, and please let me know down in the comments if you have any bugs or issues, and I'll hopefully get back to you on that. Thank you for watching.